Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Driving in Jamaica. With a name like that, I don't really need to tell you what the channel is about. But today we're driving on Halfway Tree Road. We're heading towards Crossroads, but we're going to stop off in New Kingston and take a look at New Kingston, and then we head down to Crossroads. So we're on Halfway Tree Road now. Okay, so we're now going to turn left onto Chelsea Avenue, and this will take us into New Kingston. Now, Chelsea Avenue is very famous for the Chelsea jerk chicken, which is that building straight ahead. However, they stopped operating a few years ago. But when he said Chelsea in Jamaica, everybody knew automatically would think of this food place. The building is actually gone, but that's, you can see the sign still outside, Chelsea Jerk Center. Wow. Okay, so we're now entering the New Kingston area, and New Kingston is the financial district of Jamaica. This is where you find, it's like the Jamaican version of Wall Street. We just passed on the left, that's Knutsford Court Hotel. That's the entrance. It has two entrances. That's the entrance from Chelsea Avenue. They call it the back entrance. Okay, we're now going to turn onto Dominica Drive, and you're going to see a lot more buildings now. We just passed the towers on the right, and then this building now, the 4-story building, that's the J. Ray and Nephew building. And the J. Ray and Nephew is the one that does all the white rum, or I should say spirits. On the left is the New Kingston Shopping Center. On the right is the Guardian building. Straight ahead, that white building is the Wyndham Hotel. And on the right is the Sagicor Bank building. Very nicely maintained area, and as you can see, this is where you find all the major commerce, like financial stuff going on in Jamaica, happens right here. The white building, the Wyndham, it's actually closed now. It's being renovated. I don't think it's going to operate under the Wyndham name anymore. It's another hotel. And on the right is KFC. And KFC is the most popular fast food restaurant in Jamaica. Okay, you're going to find a lot of high-rise buildings or skyscrapers in New Kingston. That white one on the left is the Pan-Caribbean building. And the one on the right, I don't know if you can see it, but you could see it earlier, that's another Sagicor building. And then we have Jamaica National, Burger King. New Kingston is like a city by itself. You'll find everything here. All the food establishments, all the banks, all the financial businesses, nightclubs, everything. And with any major city, financial center, parking is going to be a problem. But of course, you know, in Jamaica, if you take a look on the right, that car has literally just stopped in the road, put on their flashers to say, okay, go around. And that's just the type of indiscipline you find on the roads in Jamaica. Okay, that building on the right now is the Victoria Mutual building. Oh, and another thing New Kingston has a lot of is call centers. On the left, that's the Sutherland building, which is our call center. On the right, okay, on the left, you see the JPS sign. That's the head office for the Jamaica Public Service. They do the electricity in Jamaica. On the right is the head office for CIBC, First Caribbean. Straight ahead, that's the Island Life building. It wait, I think, no, it's the corporate center now. It was the Island Life building, but it was bought out, and there was a mall at the bottom called the Island Life Mall, and then commercial buildings. Not sure if the mall is still there, but it's a commercial building now. This building actually had a theater in it and a lot of restaurants. Oh, it has the Ibix name on it, which is another call center. So it probably operates, part of it operates as a call center. You can see the name there. Okay, straight ahead now, the blue building all the way at the back, that's the Pegasus. Now the Pegasus is currently the tallest building in Jamaica. But from this angle, it clearly looks like the Wyndham is taller. But it's just because of the angle. The Pegasus is taller than the Wyndham. And I say currently because a building was approved, a building plan I should say, was approved this year, a few months ago. And when that building is completed, that building will be the tallest building in Jamaica. Okay, so as you can see, a lot of financial businesses are in this area. The Victoria Mutual building on the right, it's rented out. Well, you can rent office space in it, although Victoria Mutual's head office is over there, but they don't occupy the entire building. And then we're going to go across. We're on Barbados Avenue now. I'm going to go across onto Grenada Crescent. So one thing you'll notice about the roads in Jamaica, in New Kingston, sorry, they're all named after Caribbean countries. So we just came off Barbados Avenue, we're on Grenada Crescent, you have St. Lucia Avenue, you have Trinidad Terrace. I just learned recently that Jamaica was before Jamaica got independence, it was a part of some Caribbean thing. I don't remember the name now. And because of that association with Jamaica, it was all the roads were named after all the countries in that kind of Commonwealth thing. I'm going to post the name of it in the comment section, but somebody had actually commented and left that information, and I found it very interesting. Okay, on the right we're going to turn into the plaza. You can see the head office for the Sagicor. Sagicor operates 3 divisions. You have the banking, you have life insurance, and you have investments. So you're going to find a lot of buildings with the Sagicor name on it because they did it via acquisition. So for instance, the Sagicor Bank, they bought out another bank. So you might say a Sagicor building, and then across the road you see another Sagicor building. One is the bank, one is life insurance. Okay. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe.